In this video, I am going to share the tips for configuring ClearPass cluster. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Sarindu and I am a network consultant over 10 years of experience now. In this video, we are going to configure the ClearPass cluster. Okay, let's start the configuration. In ClearPass, you can see both ClearPass appliances which we are going to configure today. In ClearPass, the clustering it have two acronyms. One is publisher and one is subscriber. Publisher is the main appliance which it is going to handle the configuration, also handle the license, and the subscribers are the nodes which it is going to join to the publisher node. So whatever the configuration you are going to do, you will do it in the publisher node, so it will push the configuration to the other nodes which it is part of that appliance. So we need to join to the subscriber nodes into the publisher. So first let's go into the subscriber and then let's go to the administration, server manager, server configuration. Then in here you can see make subscriber. Once you click on this link, it will ask about the publisher IP 1.28 and the IP publisher password. If this is a fresh installment, you don't need to restore the log or the database. So we'll click on proceed. Then you can see the publisher database certificate is pushed to the subscriber node. In earlier versions of the ClearPass, we required to have the HTTPS certificate, public certificate to join to the cluster, to make the cluster. But in after 6.8 version, that requirement is no longer available. If you have, you can add it. But if you don't have the public certificate, you can join by using the database certificate of the publisher. No need to edit, export from the publisher and add it to the subscriber. It will automatically happen when you give the publisher IP and the password. So once you click on save, it will go through the process. It will check the password. This is if you have the HTTPS certificate, this warning will not be come. But like in our setup, we are not using any public certificate. That's why this warning is coming. We'll wait for a few minutes to join this appliance into the publisher, to the main appliance. You can see the connection, check publisher connection is passed. It will show each and every process what is happening right now, and also you can see subscriber node successfully added to the host, and then it is taking the configuration from the publisher node to the subscriber node. And now it is restarting the services of the ClearPass. ClearPass have so many services: radius services, TACAC services, database services. All these services will be restarting now. First it will stop, then it will restart. Okay, now you can see the clustering part is completed. So it will give, like, first it will show that subscriber node successfully added to the ClearPass, and then it transfer the backup files, stop the services, and the password also change as per the publisher. That's why I told whatever the configuration is in the main node, it will be replicated into the other nodes. So whatever the configuration you are going to do, you have to do it in the publisher level only. You cannot do any configuration in the subscriber node. I will show that one after some time. So like it clone the databases, restore everything. So you can see all these steps. So now it is done. We'll do one refresh, and then in the top you can see limited access only. For the full access, please log into the policy manager publisher, which it is our CPPM1. And in here you can see both the appliances are now in online. And if we look into this one, we will looking by using the publisher username and password. While it is loading, so all the nodes will be available in here. You can take the backup, or you can do any modification from the publisher node only. You can go to the administration, server configuration. You can see both the plans are available in here. If you want to take backup, you can take backup in separated from each and every appliance, because all the configuration will be managing from here. What are the reasons that why we need to do it? Because if you want to do the load balancing, or if you want to have the high redundancy in your network, you should go with 2 or 3 appliances. So if you have more users, then also you can go with the clustering of the ClearPass. The main thing in the clustering is you don't need to purchase the separate licenses. Only if you are running with the virtual appliance, you just only need the platform license for the subscriber node. There is no requirement for the access or on-board or on-card licenses for the subscriber node. Those licenses will be pushed from publisher to subscriber. If publisher goes offline, still your network is functioning, because license database already pushed to the subscriber node. So you can see all the configuration is now managing from the publisher only. We cannot do any configuration in the subscriber node. So that's it for today. In the next video, we will discuss about how to join an Active Directory into the ClearPass as an authentication source. So thank you. We'll meet up on the next video. Hi, if you guys like this video, you are going to love the other video also, which I created, that I discuss about the ClearPass licensing. You can check it from here, that the licensing discussion which we did for the Aruba ClearPass.